He knew his role isn't to be a shooter, pero besides Shaq Alanes motivating him, Coach Estong also joked to him, tira ka lang ng tira, wala namang bawas yun sa sahod.
Long enough to see pretty much all of it. Types of players, coaches, kasabihan, sinasabi, ugali. And I tell you,
Pasajeros bouncing it off the back of Ubaldo and finishing it off with a basket. 25-18, Valenzuela with a 7-point lead. Alabanza, one-hander. It trickles in.
nice strong move by Alabanza for his first two in the game. Alanes, palpal.
Jason Strait whips it to Ubaldo. Marquina has a big lineup on the floor.
Palpal din yung inabot doon ni Ubaldo kay Reyes. Kasaheros, simple lang ang basketball.
Oligario nagmamadali. Reyes was there to pick it up. Collado, pumihit. Great defense that time by Soriano. Tight pass. Collado comes away with it. Alanes, 3-on-2 fast break. Bounce pass. Jay Collado finishing through contact. Counted plus the foul. With 5 on the shot clock.
Nice pass.
Collado, the cut. Diluwa lang. Stays with it though and puts it back in.
A beautiful off-ball movement that time. Collado picking up his own miss. Santa Ana attacking.
Pasibas nakuha yung rebound. Nagmamadali ang Marikina. Santa Ana sidestep.
Yeah.
Able to finish plus the foul.
Representing a different team during that time. Zamboanga, I believe.
Tama, Zamboanga.
Yeah.
Collado sa loob. Puts it in. He's beginning to heat up here in the second quarter. Pasaol. Gives it up to Santa Ana. Natapik na agaw ni Oligario.
There's no but.
Pitch ahead. Alatica. We've grown accustomed to those kinds of finishes by CJ Alatica.
With contact, no?
Ian Melencio. Destacamento. Susubok sa dress. Wala. Alatica fights for it and puts it in plus the foul.
Nung kalaban niya at ang Manila. Sila Joe GDL.
Oh, Pasibas cleans it up. Mintis yung tres. Alanes. Pasa ay CJ Alatica with that marvelous finish.
Hindi na Oligario. Alatica na. Uy! Palpal ulit. Ni King, no? Even after the ball fake, pero ang ganda ng recovery at nung cut. Ipasa all.
Laki na ng labang ng Valenzuela. Can't finish through traffic was Shaq Alanes. Bola na agaw.
Oh.
Pass to the outside. Alanes spots up. Pasibas throws it behind his back. Faundo will lay it in.
What a play.
Marikina playing a little bit better in the past couple of minutes. Sidestep. Reggie Boy, wala.
I thought he was fouled. Play in, play off team.
Jason Strait finishing underneath the rim. Alano, pasa kay CJ Alatica. Naagaw. Villarente doesn't have the numbers. But he spots up for three. Had that slight opening and he took it and took advantage. Villarente. Santa Ana sumubok sa tres. Wala. At dyan magtatapos ang ating first half.